Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a Reels to Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as a video that was recorded in portrait, edited, exported, and ready for upload to Instagram. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com, use the shortcut on the bookmarks tab, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to another desktop, and then we should see a video that was recorded in portrait that can be uploaded as part of Instagram Reels. Let's now quit QuickTime Player, go back to Instagram. Let's now go to create, post, drag photos and videos here, or select from computer, which we will do. Click on the video located on the desktop, click on upload. Videos are now shared as Reels. That's okay. We want to increase the size, keep the original, click on next, use a cover photo, so we can do that by dragging the cover photo, or we can select from the computer. Let's just use what we have for the moment. And so once we have selected the cover photo, let's now click on next. Write a caption, which will be Computer Science Videos, iPhone 4S in 2024. Let's click on share. This is now being uploaded to the account on Instagram as part of the Reels. And whatever you do, do not click off this page, as we would then have to go through that process all over again. If we were to, let's just say, click off the page, this is what would occur. Discard post. If you leave, your edits won't be saved. So let's click on cancel, as we wish for it to be saved. And so now on screen, the message, your reel has been shared. We can now click off the page, Command R to refresh the page, and then we have that video posted to the account. Go to Reels. I'm not too sure what's happened with the thumbnail itself, but that's for another video. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.